Today we have it a lot easier than our mothers and grandmothers had it. If we feel that Mother Nature hasn't given us just the right physical features we want, we can add them ourselves, kind of an aftermarket so to speak. If you're not happy with your eyelashes, you can add extensions. However, you will need to find the best eyelash extension glue available to hold those extensions in place. The first thing you will need to do is to decide if you're going to opt for the whole strip of lashes or just add a few lashes individually. The type of glue you use will differ accordingly. Eyelash extension glue generally comes in two colors, clear or black. Obviously, you will get a very different look from one to the other. If you opt for the transparent glue, no one will see it, which of course makes it a much more subtle look. Using transparent glue will allow the lashes to look more natural and more like they are your own lashes. If you're more of a dramatic woman, or you want to add some pizzazz to a costume, you might want to use the black glue. This can really make a bold statement since the glue will keep its dark hues even after it's dried. It can look almost like eyeshadow. When using the black adhesive, you have to be careful since it can smudge pretty easily. The black glue usually looks best with darker lashes such as brown or black. The makeup of the eyelash glue is another thing to keep in mind. You certainly don't want a lot of harsh chemicals near your eyes. Look for glues that are all natural. One of the best types of natural eyelash glue is made up of oak latex. This adhesive will work very well at holding your lashes in place, but when you're ready to remove them, all you have to do is gently pull off the lashes while counting out 5 seconds. Then, just allow the glue to dissolve by rubbing warm water on your eyelids. Since you can get the glue off with just a little puling and some warm water, you won't need makeup remover, which means there is one less chemical that you will need to put on your face. This natural glue is not only better for your eyes, it's also better for your lashes. You don't want to spend a lot of money on lashes just to ruin them with the wrong adhesive. If you have short, thin or hard to see lashes, you don't need to settle. You can add extensions to make your eyes appear bigger and more luminous. In order to hold those extensions in place, you have a lot of options. Actually, who knew there were so many options when it came to eyelash extension glue? Just read over the information above so you can choose the best glue for you and the look you are going for. Whether you want bold and brazen, or you're going for a more natural look, you can find the right glue for you. I upload useful videos about everything useful. Subscribe and love not to miss new videos. Thanks.